Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about chromosome and their structure. So the first thing we're going to think about chromosome is that they are a packed structure of double helix DNA. So this is the structure of double helix DNA. There are two strands. One strand here, another strand is right there, and this DNA is very long. So it has to be condensed into a structure like this. So this is one chromosome. It's one pair. One chromosome comes from male and one chromosome comes from female. So how that chromosomes are situated? They are situated here in the nucleus right here. So this is cell and this is the nucleus, and in nucleus this is one pair and one pair, and there are other 22 more pairs in the nucleus. So there are total 23 pairs of chromosomes in the nucleus. So we are just talking about one pair here. One pair has one A and B part. A comes from male or B comes from female. And when the cell replication occurs, means cell is going to divide, that a single chromosome here, I'm just going to talk about chromosome number B, it get duplicated. So that's the structure of a duplicate. Now you can see, and during the cell division, this is the middle portion right here is called centromere. And what happens, the spindle fiber, they are in the nucleus. Those spindle fiber attach at this location, spindle fiber from here, and they separate these two strands. So that both cells during the division have similar copies of chromosomes. Okay, so that's what you got to understand. So now if you wanted to magnify the structure of this DNA, you can magnify in this direction, and these round structures, these are called histamines. So they are round like this. They are proteins right here. So this one little circle right here is one histamine proteins, and the DNA is kind of wrapped around this structure just to save space, and it gives protection. It gives a shape to the chromosome. So let's magnify more, and then if you see this is the similar structure, double helix structure right here that I described right here. So that's the basic structure of chromosomes. I just explained a little bit of cell division, how they get duplicated, and you got to keep in mind there are 23 chromosomes pairs in a nucleus, and during the cell division they all get duplicated, and chromosomes carry genetic information, genes. So the combination of those genes are right here. How those nucleotides are joined together, what sequence they are in the structure of a DNA that makes a particular gene. And we will talk about that, how genes are going to be activated from this structure of a chromosome later in our chapters. So that's about it from this video. We just briefly discussed that chromosome is a structure of a DNA helix. It carries genetic information. There are 23 chromosomes in a cell, means there are 46 chromosomes. During each cell division, each chromosome is duplicated so that cell can have equal number of chromosomes. That's all from me. We'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.